What we're going to do now is design our floor in the MezzQUOTE software. So we know our main dimensions, we know our loading, we know our deflection limits and various other things to do with the floor, and what we're going to do is put those into the MezzQUOTE software and get it to tell us what size beams, columns and other members we need, what sections we need in our floor. Okay, so I'll just transfer over to the MezzQUOTE software. I'll just call this a sample floor. What we need initially is our decking area. So if we go back to our CAD drawing, horizontally we've got 20186, and then vertically we've got, I think it's 9951. So you put in your overall decking area to begin with. We then need to set our edge dimensions. We've got 236 at that end and 150, so that's our horizontal edge distances. And vertically we'll just check 151 at the bottom, 131. We've got 3 bays in each direction, so just enter the number of bays. Okay, so that gives us our 6.6 meter main spans. We just need to adjust these spans. That one is 3669 at the top and the others are 3 meters. So we just enter that. Obviously you can have whatever span dimensions you want. That's 3 meters. Okay, so we've adjusted our spans, that's all looking good. We've got a bay missing in this corner in our floor, so we go to the bay remove tool, click in the corner and it adjusts our decking. We need to just show our hand railing. It's not too critical for design, but just to show how that would work. It's more important in the quotation part of the software. So we just click and it snaps automatically to our column positions. That just shows where our hand railing is going to go. Now we've got some bracing in this floor. We just go to our bracing tool, click on the bays where we want bracing. That's good. One thing we need to check is our loading. I'm going to put in a dead load. I'm going to allow for some services as well. So we normally allow 0.15 for services, and the imposed load I need to change to 3.5. Down here it's telling me my current deflection limit's 200. That's no good for this job. We want 360, so we go to settings, member parameters. Up here we've got deflection criteria. Let's change it to 360. I won't go into all of these options. Here we can set the type of bracing. We're happy with strut. Our decking size, deck board size is fine. Our particle board is okay, so we've got other options in there. That list is fully customizable, by the way. We want to do a structural check on the stair stringer, and we just put in the finished floor level to do that. Let's go OK. These buttons down here, just very briefly, these allow you to show the default sizes. So these are your starting sizes for beams, for columns and for joists. But obviously we're going to do a full design check on the floor anyway. Quick last minute check around, everything's looking pretty good. So we'll go on to the next stage, which is actually choosing the structural sections that we want to use.